Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here today with another mindful moment. Today, we're going to do a breathing technique from one of our Let's Breathe Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. And today, the one we are going to do is bunny breath. See, I love to keep my cards on these little rings so that they're easy to access, and I can just pick which one I'm feeling today. And today, I'm feeling bunny breath. And the reason I decided to do bunny breath today is because bunny breath is a breathing technique that really energizes us. Usually, when we think about breathing techniques, we think about calming breathing techniques, but this one refreshes us, energizes us, clears our mind, and gets us ready to learn. So come along and join me as I do bunny breath. For bunny breath, we want to start in either our seated mountain or standing mountain. I'm starting in seated mountain. So my feet are on the floor in front of me, kind of sitting towards the front of my chair. My back is straight. My shoulders are back. My head is reaching tall. I'm in that sitting mountain posture. Now for bunny breath, we're going to take 3 quick inhales through our nose. We're going to try to fill our lungs completely with that really energy producing oxygen. Okay, so we're going to breathe in kind of 3 quick bunny breaths in through our nose, and then we're going to pause. And after our pause, then we'll let a big exhale out through our mouth with a really long, audible ha. Okay, so let's do it together. We're going to do 3 inhales. Ah, good. So we did those 3 inhales, we paused, and then we let that really audible out, okay? And make sure when we're doing those 3 inhales, those 3 quick inhales through our nose, that we're really filling our lungs with that energy-rich oxygen, okay? So we're gonna do that 3 times in a row, and I'm not going to stop in between this time. We're just going to do 3 sets of that bunny breath. So go ahead and join me. Okay, we're going to start with those quick inhales through the nose, 3 of them. Pause. Good. Again. Pause. Last one. Pause. Good. Now, maybe you try it a couple more times on your own. Remember that bunny breath is an energizing breath. It really is great for when we're feeling maybe lethargic and we need a little refresh, a little energy. Great way to get us going for the rest of our day. So I hope that you'll do it again soon. Bunny breath, a great tool for our tool belt to help energize us, give us that really energy rich oxygen, and get ready to learn. I hope you'll join me again soon for our next mindful moment. Bye-bye.